In today's adventure, we are here in downtown Hopkins, Minnesota, and sometimes when you're in school, they teach you to stay inside the lines. They don't want to get too messy. That is not the case here at Mess Hall, where it's all about going outside the lines. Let's go get messed up.
This is Fun Across America.
Zen, thank you so much for having us here at Mess Hall today. Why don't you tell us a little bit about how this place came to be and how long you've been around?
So Mess Hall started, I had this idea when I was watching The Bachelor, and they were rolling around in paint and getting all crazy, and I wanted to do it with my husband. And so I started looking at a place to do it, and there was no place that existed. And I was like, how does a place not exist? And the closest place that did splatter paint was in Iowa, and I was like, I gotta start this in Minnesota.
That is amazing. This is here because of The Bachelor.
Absolutely.
What is this place, like in a nutshell?
So Mess Hall is a place that you can come and make a mess with paint, essentially. So you can paint with your hands, you can paint with your feet, you can paint with paintbrushes, you can throw paint, you can pour paint, whatever you want. And then on top of just playing with paint, we do messy activities you don't want to do at your home. We are tailored to be an art experience venue for all ages. Kids, probably we have a toddler program, ages 2 till 5, a kid program, 4 till 10, and then adults, all ages, can come and enjoy and create art. Birthday parties are our top seller. These are the best birthday parties in my mind in Minnesota, because you have us leading, you're making a mess, it's not at your house, and we're guiding the whole thing from start to finish, and the kids are entertained the whole time.
Yeah. Any community events that you guys are involved with, or community groups here or in Hopkins, Minnesota?
Yes, so one of the biggest things that we do is we work with a program called Choice, and Choice is a adult with disability program, and we have them come in once or twice a month, and they get to enjoy the art we're doing that month. And their whole group comes in and gets to play and create art, and they also are going to work here.
Whose birthday? Is it your birthday? Hey, I'm Nate.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Do you guys want to be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Do you guys watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite YouTuber?
No clue.
You got.
Are we going to have fun? Yeah!
I'm about to learn what it's like to be outdone by a group of eight-year-old girls, because I know I can't make better art than them. Top comment in this video gets to decide what I paint the next time we go to an art place. There's a lot of room for improvement.
In addition to the traditional methods of painting, Mess Hall also had these paint blasters. I don't know if they made my art any better, but boy, were they fun.
That was the missing piece of what we needed to complete our masterpiece.
I think one of the best parts about Mess Hall is that there's more to do than just your regular painting on a canvas. You can also make neon slime, or you can use their paint pendulum swing and assorted accessories to make art in a new way. Maybe I'll be better at this one.
This is the most stress I've been under in like a week. Ready?
All right.
I don't know, I think this might just be my calling in life. Mess Hall staff was super helpful in teaching me how to use these different methods to get the best results possible. Best might be a relative term, but beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right?
Well, it's my second painting of the day. I think that it's definitely an upgrade from my first one, but you are the resident expert. What do you think?
I love the technique usage. It'd be great for the garage.
That's probably where it's going, so I think that's probably for the best. Emily, you're the birthday girl, right? Yeah, tell me about your party today.
It's fun.
It's fun? Have you been here before?
Yes.
And what is your favorite part about coming here?
Being with friends.
Being with friends. What about the art?
Yeah, that too.
That too. What did you think of my art today?
It was good.
Are you lying to me? I appreciate it.
Take it from Emily, my art is officially good. And I think her previous response was actually pretty insightful. The art is great, but this place is all about having a good time with friends, and I can confirm we did have a blast today.
So that was Mess Hall. We had a blast today, right? Yeah, so don't forget to check them out. And also, don't forget to listen to them.